Clay. Sure, you can use it for pottery, but can you also use it for automotive design? Now, of course, by itself, clay is not structurally sound as a final product on a vehicle, but what if we could turn it into steel? Today, you're gonna find out. We need to make sure we agree on this before I make it.
In metal? Yeah,
in metal.
Let's make it in clay first.
We did.
Right, well, I mean, let's make it exactly how we want it in clay first.
We did.
We'll finish what we were doing.
We did. I don't know what the problem is. Tony's insinuating he doesn't like this. So, I like everything about it, aside from I'm not sold on this part here.
I'm kind of in the same boat about this. I'm not completely sold right here. I like what's going on here and accentuate it by maybe having this ridge climb up a little bit and bridge that gap right there.
You think
and
like
be a little more prominent in this area.
And have like triangular, you think?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.
It's German. It's
Yeah.
No, I think it's da. I'm pretty sure.
No,
that's Russian. That's Russian. Oh man, I'm about to get eaten alive in the comments. You need some like Dutch clogs or something.
yeah.
Okay.
All right, cool. Then I'm gonna make a spoiler. Spoiler? I barely know her. I'm just out here using enough tape to make any body shop manager have a conniption. I love how using a tape pattern keeps the memory of the shape. All right, if I miss this, you have to finish the project car. Well, the bucket has spoken. Comment down below what your project car is. Basically be like this. It's gotta get shrunk to pull that in to where it needs to be, right? I always mix this up. I need stretched, not shrunk for sure. I went the wrong way with it. You'll have that. Kind of screwed myself a little bit, but not really. Because I framed the end here because I wanted to keep it straight, but now I can't fit the planching hammer up in there, so I gotta get creative with it. Either a hammer and dolly it down to a sharper angle, but I think the offset wheel and the English wheel will actually do that, so. All that from one sheet. It's like I know what I'm doing or something. I don't.
There we go.
Magic, right?
It's the wrong side.
Oh yeah, there you go. We almost did that earlier, don't worry. I think that's that for that piece. This one looks like a fish.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, like a cartoon fish that you'd slap somebody with.
His tail doesn't look very effective.
Well, that's why he's sad. Look how sad he is. I'm thinking what I'll do is I'll make this a piece before it starts to curve around, make the curve piece a piece that's separate, and then make this a separate piece. Much as I don't want to piecemeal it that much, but I'm not sure I'm gonna do otherwise. There's just too much shape. There's just too much shape going on here to do it one piece for sure. The car is actually starting to come together. It's like we have the quarter panel, we have the top here, we have the rocker with the intake, we have the fender. We don't have the front bumper yet here and the details here. But as a whole, it is becoming a vehicle that is out of steel and aluminum, right? What's your favorite part of the car? I'm curious. Do you have one?
Probably the part you're working on now, actually.
Really? I'm torn. I really like this.
Yeah,
Like,
I agree.
this might be like the coolest thing I've ever made. In my
I
opinion.
agree, that is a good feature.
It just came out so well. And it was also incredibly hard to make. I also really like this.
Yeah.
I really like this. Actually, comment down below what your favorite part of this car is, or if you would change something, comment down below and say that it is too, because I'm curious to see what you guys think. I will say thank you guys. We have passed 20,000 subscribers somehow. I don't know what happened, but thank you. I think we owe you guys something because of how great you've been to us, so we're gonna think on that. And if you're new here, or if you've been here for a while, if you could just go ahead and just boop the like button down below, help us get some more reach. It'd mean a lot to us. It'd mean a lot to me. It'll just warm my heart. For now. Get around.
Yeah.
It's open.
Yeah.
Can you like? That gap though. I'm not sure, truthfully. It's super awkward. Now we're getting somewhere.
Look at
That's
that.
going that way. Now I need to make this go that way as well. It's got a little curve to it now. I think. Maybe. Well, we have one side roughed in. Now we gotta do it all over again, but mirrored. So with what you've seen today, one would think that clay is in fact a great automotive design tool. Others probably still think that foam is far superior. Well, what I say is you'll have that on these gargantuan undertakings.
Perfect.
I think it's